There's something magical about coming home to the comforting aroma of a hot meal that's been simmering all day. As the leaves fall and the air turns crisp, your slow cooker can become your best ally in the kitchen, turning simple ingredients into rich, satisfying meals with barely any effort. If your autumn calendar is packed but you still crave hearty home-cooked dishes, these slow cooker fall recipes are exactly what you need. Slow cooking is all about convenience without compromise. With just a bit of prep in the morning or even the night before, you can throw everything into the pot and let it do the work while you focus on your busy day. It's also the perfect way to extract maximum flavor from seasonal ingredients like butternut squash, sweet potatoes, apples, and warming spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Let's dive into some cozy, crowd-pleasing recipes that are perfect for weeknights, family gatherings, or just lazy Sundays when all you want is comfort on a plate. Slow cooker beef and sweet potato stew, serve 6. Ingredients: 900 grams, 2 pounds, beef stew meat, cubed. 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and chopped. 3 carrots, sliced. 1 onion, diced. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 800 milliliters, 3½ cups, beef broth. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: place all ingredients in the slow cooker and stir gently to combine. Cover and cook on low for 8 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours until the meat is tender and the vegetables are soft. Serve with crusty bread or over mashed potatoes. Apple cider pulled pork, serves 8. Ingredients: 1.8 kilograms, 4 pounds, pork shoulder. 2 cups apple cider. ½ cup apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Salt and black pepper. Instructions: rub pork with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Place in the slow cooker with the cider, vinegar, sugar, and mustard. Cover and cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. Shred the pork and mix it back into the juices. Serve on buns with coleslaw or over creamy polenta. Vegetarian butternut squash chili, serve 6. Ingredients: 1 small butternut squash, peeled and diced. 2 cans, 15 ounces each, black beans, drained. 1 can, 15 ounces, kidney beans, drained. 1 can, 400 grams, diced tomatoes. 1 bell pepper, chopped. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. Salt to taste. Instructions: combine everything in the slow cooker. Stir and cook on low for 6 to 7 hours. Taste and adjust seasoning. Serve with avocado, sour cream, or cornbread for a warm, satisfying vegetarian option. Each of these dishes brings out the best of fall, bold flavors, nourishing ingredients, and effortless cooking. And the best part? They taste even better the next day, so make enough for leftovers. Tip: for even faster prep, chop vegetables and store them in the fridge the night before. You can also freeze pre-portioned meals and simply defrost them overnight before slow cooking in the morning. Which of these slow cooker fall recipes would